Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY. I came up with an awesome DIY using these monogram letters from Five Below. The cost of the letters is only $3, and I made an awesome monogram for my front door of my home. So if you guys would like to see how I created this DIY, just keep watching. But don't forget to subscribe, guys, and after you subscribe, hit that notification button. So let's get started with this DIY. Here I'm just showing you all the items that you will need to complete this project. Some flowers, some tape, spray paint, and your monogram letter. And most of the items I already previously had. Only thing I purchased extra was the spray paint. So as you see, I took the tape, the painter's tape, masking tape, and I laid it horizontal across the monogram letter. I really didn't measure it. I kind of just eyeballed it, and I didn't press the tape down until I got it evenly spaced how I wanted it to. So that's what I'm showing you right now, and I'm going to begin to spray paint the monogram. And here you see me spraying the white spray paint all over the letter. I'm gonna put several coats on it to make sure it is covered really well, and it comes out nice and white once I remove the tape, the painter's tape. So right now I'm just showing you how it came out once I put all the coats of paint on top, once I did all the coats of paint. So that's what I'm showing you. Here is the finished product, guys. Well, it's not quite finished. I placed some flowers that I'm going to use that I showed you previously in the video, and I'm just placing them on the letter, how I want them to be arranged on the monogram letter. So that's what you see me doing right now. So I'm just taking my time and just arranging them, placing them here and there to get the look that I want on the monogram letter. So I think I'm kind of satisfied on how I have the arrangement placed on the monogram. Right here I'm just showing you the spray paint that I used, and this spray paint was it was okay. The Krylon was okay, but I really didn't care for it too much. I did a previous sign before, and this is the paint that I used, the Valspar, and I really preferred the Valspar. So if you see in the other side of the video, I'm showing you the monogram that the arrangement that I did before and how it came out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY. Don't forget to comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Bye guys.